right, we're in Havana Tower, and this looks promising. Let's see what kind of elevators we got here. Oh, what the hell? Oh, what the hell? What the hell? Oh, there's a big crack in it. There's just pants in the lobby. All right, if we go to 8. I will say, these things run insanely well.
8th floor.
Okay, that's actually pretty impressive. I'll give them that. These are former Westinghouse. Very strange. All right. 2. Oh dear. That rollback wasn't nice. Ooh, look at this big infinite mirror cab. Nice.
2nd floor.
Yeah, definitely a former Westinghouse. I would have loved to see these original. Anyway.